Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Fired up and grateful another day, man, to be able to come and share with you guys. Today's morning mastermind was off the charts. I love it when people come together in harmony and cooperation for the better of all. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. And today, on the mastermind, we talked about, oh, it's a little windy out here. We talked about community, right? We talked about the power of two or more people with a common cause. You know, with today, with everything that's going on in the world, we have so much in common, guys. If we think about it, we all want a roof over our head. We all want clothes on our back. We all want food on the table. Right? We want our families safe, happy, and healthy. Yeah, and in today's world, it's harder, right, to work one job. With the cost of inflation, we need something else to supplement our income. And it's not easy out there, right? It's not easy out there. You have to work for somebody. You have to do something you don't want to do, or you can find something that you're passionate about. Affiliate marketing is really big. I don't know if you know anything about affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing is just referring another person's product. And a digital product is even better because there's no overhead, there's no shipping, there's no product for you to deliver. So the commission could be really different, right? And I love 80% commission. I love being part of something bigger than myself. You know, this web builder for $25 builds unlimited pages, funnels, online shopping, store, and much, much more. But the community and the coaching is just invaluable. When you plug in, be part of, and you transform, right? Because it's about growing. This is all about you. Personal development is about you. It's not about me. I'm just sharing my journey on how this journey of working on my body, my mind, and my spirit, right, is growing me into that person I'm meant to become. And you're growing each and every day, because every day you get up, you get a choice, right? Brush your teeth, right? Exercise, clean your house. You can do it. You can choose not to do it. It's totally up to you. But success or failure totally depends on you. It doesn't depend on the company. It doesn't depend on the product. It depends on you. When we point our finger at something else, we got three fingers pointing back. As my brother Christian said. And on today's call, too, this is really great. My brother Paz, love my brother Paz. He said, be essential. Be a blessing. Right? And that's what we need to do. We need to give. Right? So I love you guys. I appreciate you. And as always, do something good for somebody else. In the space to know when they can't repay you. Yes, it's kind of, I don't know, it's going to be a rainy day here in New England. But the sun is shining in my heart. So I love you guys. If you want to learn more about who we are, what we do, the organization, Feed My Staff, and the link in my bio.